Welcome to Fun Maths. Let's solve the question we have on the board. Evaluate 1.4 times 10 raised to power minus 4 times 2.1 times 10 raised to power 3 all over 2.8 times 10 raised to power 4. We are given these options to choose our answer from. Now let's bring down the question. 1.4 times 10 raised to power minus 4 times 2.1 times 10 raised to power 3 all over 2.8 times 10 raised to power minus 4. Now the first thing we are going to do here is to push this decimal point to the right hand side, making these numbers whole numbers. And when we are moving the decimal point, we are subtracting 1 from the power of 10. Reason, when you move your decimal point to the right in standard form, you subtract the power of 10. Okay, so we have that. Move this, it will be 14 times 10 raised to power minus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 times, move this 1, move the decimal point here, we have 21 times 10 raised to power 3 minus 1 all over, move the point at denominator, we have 28 times 10 raised to power 4 minus what? 1. All right, now let's simplify further. We have 14 times 10 raised to power minus 4 minus 1 will give us minus 5 times 21 times 10 raised to power 3 minus 1, we have what? 2 all over 28 times 10 raised to power 4 minus 1, 3. At this point, we are going to bring out the whole numbers with the operation attached to them and then keep our 10 raised to power in the other side. Okay, we now have that 14 times 21 over 28, 14 times 21 over 28 times 10 raised to power. Now let's observe the laws of indices. This is 10 raised to power minus 5. This is 10 raised to power minus 2. In laws of indices, when you have multiplication, you are going to add the power. So we have minus 5 plus 2. Now at the denominator here, we have 10 raised to power 3. By law of indices, we are going to subtract the powers of the denominator. So we have minus 3. Okay, now 7 here will give us what? 2. 7 here will give us 4. 2 here, 1. 2 here, 2. Now we are left with 21 over 2 times 10 raised to power minus 5 plus 2 will give us minus 3. Minus 3 will give us what? Minus 6. At this point, let's divide this. 21 divided by 2 will give us what? If 2 divides 21, we'll have 10. Point, remember one, call it 10. 2 divided 10, we have what? 5 times 10 raised to power minus 6. We are not going to leave our answer this way because this number now is not in standard form. So we're going to move this decimal point to our left. So we move it like this. So we have that this is equal to 1.05 times 10 raised to power minus 6. Remember, if you are moving to the left in standard form, you add the power. So here we have plus 1 because we moved just 1 places. Now our answer will be 1.05 times 10 raised to power minus 6 plus 1 will give us minus 5. And this will be our final answer. From the option, our option is option A. Okay, if this is the first time you are coming across our video, please like, share and repost for more videos.